In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to onboard a new employee to Asana in just 5 minutes. With these streamlined steps, you'll help your new team member get up and running quickly. Let's jump in. First, you'll want to navigate to Asana's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Here, you'll be greeted by the familiar login screen. Next, proceed by entering your email address in the provided field. Make sure it's the email associated with your Asana account to avoid any access issues. After inputting your email, you'll see the Continue button. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Key in your password carefully and then click Login to gain access to your Asana dashboard. Once you're inside your Asana homepage, it's time to add your new team member to your workspace. You'll see a plus icon, which is typically located around the Create section of the navigation bar. Clicking on this icon will reveal several options. Select Invite. This action will open up a dialog box where you can enter your team member's email address. Now, remember, accuracy is key here to ensure the invitation is sent to the right person. With the email address typed incorrectly, it's time to select a project that your new team member will be working on. This not only provides them focus, but also allows you to introduce them right into the workflow that matters. After you've chosen the relevant project, click on Send. This will dispatch the invitation email to your new colleague, inviting them into your Asana workspace. There's an alternate method if you prefer, which involves clicking Invite Teammates located at the bottom left of your Asana interface. The process remains the same once you're brought to the invitation dialog. Enter the email, select the project, and hit Send. Once your team member joins Asana, it's crucial to guide them through the interface. Start by showing them around some key areas like projects, teams, tasks, and the inbox. This step ensures that they're familiar with where to find things and how to contribute effectively. Demonstrate how to create and assign tasks, as well as how to set due dates and manage these tasks within Asana. It's important to also explain the crucial communication methods, such as checking the inbox for updates and responding to comments. These practices will help your new team member stay informed and communicate effectively with the team. Introduce them to the My Tasks feature, which will allow them to plan and prioritize their work individually. Focus on highlighting the essential features so they don't feel overwhelmed by the software. Finally, assign them some initial tasks to facilitate hands-on experience, which is often the best way to learn. By following these steps, you'll successfully onboard a new employee to Asana, setting them up for productivity and collaboration in your team. Thanks for tuning in and happy onboarding.